All right, taking a look at radar to start us off. And of course, we have radar embedded within our app, so I don't want to spend too much time on it. Mostly just get to the forecast with you. But there's a quick look at the radar. You can have the constantly updated radar just, right in the palm of your hand. So we'll move on to the winds now and then what the effect this cold front is having on our weather. Gusty north winds at the moment, steady nearly 20 miles per hour throughout San Antonio, and temperatures quickly dropping. I mean, ahead of the front, Pleasanton's nearly 80 degrees. Behind the front, Helotes now down to 59 along with Bulverde and 64 at the airport in San Antonio. So big impact on our temperatures right now. Wider view shows that warmth along the coastal plain and basically south of Highway 90, Cotulla at 80, Laredo 83. But then you get into the hill country behind that cold front and we're right near 50. So this front pushing southward, and it's going to be affecting our southern communities just over the next couple of hours. Not bitterly cold behind this front. I mean, it's all relative because yesterday we were 81. Tomorrow we'll be in the upper 40s most of the day. So a big temperature drop, but it's not the bitterly cold air. We're in the 50s right now for afternoon temperatures up in North Texas. We're not looking at sub-freezing temperatures with this cold front, despite a huge drop in temperatures. All right, let's talk about rainfall. We have some areas of light rain out there right now. I like our FUTURECAST and how it shows some spotty off and on light showers through tonight into tomorrow. The morning commute is going to be cold, a little breezy, and definitely damp. And get ready for that to persist for a couple of days. Even tomorrow afternoon, my kids often ask me, are we going to have indoor recess or outdoor recess? Unlikely the next couple of days, kids. Unlikely you'll have outdoor recess. Not just will it be colder, and every school has a different threshold, but it's going to be damp as well. Then we get into Thursday and we'll still have dampness, just more so in the sense of light drizzle and sprinkles rather than actual passing showers. And our FUTURECAST is indicating that as well. Not a whole lot of real rainfall to show for a few damp days here, despite damp commutes and some inconvenient dampness out there. It's not going to really have a lot of accumulation. I mean, we're talking along and south of Highway 90, maybe a quarter of an inch through Thursday. You look into Bandera and parts of northern Bexar County and New Braunfels, maybe about a half an inch. That's possible. And higher amounts the farther north you get. Farther behind this cold front, we've got some better dynamics basically to help boost the rainfall. So you get east of I-35, you get into East Texas, probably 2 inches or more of rain. So at least somebody's getting a good soaker out of it. Again, we'll be damp, just not a whole lot of accumulation to show for it. So 52 degrees by 8 p.m. Then we're down in the 40s, 47 at sunrise tomorrow. A gusty breeze to start the day, light rain and cold. Umbrella, jackets, the next couple of days for sure. We'll be in the 40s pretty much all day tomorrow through Thursday and a good portion of Friday. By Friday afternoon, we'll briefly make it into the lower 50s, and then we'll finally get back up into the 60s by Sunday. But with that is another chance of some passing showers with some upper level support. Then as we get into next week, we actually do warm up a little bit back to near 70 with a little bit of sunshine by Monday. All right, I'm Adam Caskey. I got to get ready for the KSAT 12 news at 5. I appreciate you joining us. If you're just tuning in, I just gave an update on the cold front that moved through. Get ready for some cold and damp days ahead. There you have it. We'll have some off and on rain, drizzle, sprinkles, gusty winds, and temperatures basically just coasting in the 40s the next few days. All right, I got to get ready for the 5 o'clock show. Thank you all for joining me. I love the new feature on our KSAT 12 Weather Authority app. We call it the Appcast. Live Appcast, live from KSAT 12. All right, thanks for joining me.